Hello, I'm Chris. In this video, we're going to have a look at clutch control at a junction uphill. If you're learning how to drive a manual car, then hopefully this video will help. Before tackling a junction on a hill, it's important that you're confident with moving off on a flat road first. If you're unfamiliar with the biting point and want more information on the basics of clutch control, then have a look at one of our previous videos. There's a link in the description. I'm going to show you a couple of local tricky junctions that are not only on a hill, but they normally have parked cars blocking your view too. These will be perfect locations for me to demonstrate how you can use clutch control to creep out slowly, carefully, and without stalling or rolling back. I can see the junction ahead. I'll check my mirrors, signal, off gas, clutch down, brake gently, first gear. It's difficult to see. I need to creep forward. A little gas, raise the clutch to the biting point, observing properly, it's clear, more gas, slowly raise the clutch to move more. It all happened quite quickly, so let's do another one. Check my mirrors, signal, off gas, and as I'm driving uphill, gravity slows me down quickly. I only need to brake lightly, clutch down, off the brake so I don't stop too early. I've selected first gear. It's hard to see again. I need to creep forward, but ready to stop. A little gas, holding the clutch at the biting point, observing, it's safe, more gas as I raise the clutch slowly. It's important when creeping forward to press the gas a little to help the car not stall. This is especially important if you're driving an older petrol car. You could also stall if you release the clutch too soon when creeping forward. If you do stall at these kind of junctions, then keep an eye on what I'm doing with the gas pedal and at what point I release the clutch fully. I have to give way here, so I'll also have to be ready to stop. I need to creep forward. I'm in first gear, gas and biting point. Lower the clutch the thickness of a pound coin to slow down, or raise it slightly to increase speed. Slowly raise the clutch all the way with gas to increase speed more. This time I'm turning right at the end of the road. Again, it's hard to see because of the parked cars. Using the gas and biting point to creep forward. Planning to go, but prepared to stop. It's really important to be confident in finding the biting point quickly. If you're not, then practice on a flat quiet road first, before trying a junction on a hill. Let's do another one. I'm turning left at the end of the road. Check mirrors, signal, brake lightly, but not too much, clutch down to the floor, first gear, gas, biting point, but don't let go of the clutch too much, or you'll stall or zoom off. Remember that lowering the clutch slows the car down, and raising it slowly speeds it up. Okay, last one. I'm turning right at the end of the road. And this one is a bit busier. Still difficult to see. Car approaching, clutch all the way down, brake, and now I'll use the parking brake to make the hill start easier. Driver letting me out, it's safe, gas, biting point, slowly raise the clutch. It doesn't mean it's safe to go just because someone lets you out, so be careful and keep observing around. It's also easy to panic when someone lets you out and release the clutch too quickly and stall. Watch this video next to learn how to use clutch control in stop-start traffic on a hill. Thanks a lot for watching. Please subscribe for our latest videos, and in the meantime, take care on the road and bye for now.